3 minutes of breath work. That's all it takes to reset your energy, focus, and emotions. Here's what happens when you breathe intentionally every morning. Day 1. You feel calm. Conscious breathing activates the vagus nerve, lowering your heart rate and cortisol. Day 3. Your mental fog lifts. Oxygen delivery to the brain improves. You feel sharper, more centered. Week 1. You handle stress better. Breath becomes your anchor. You respond, not react. Week 2. Your energy stabilizes. Breathwork balances your nervous system and hormones. No coffee needed. After 1 month, your resilience grows. Mornings become less reactive, more empowering. Your mind and body work together, not against each other. Breathe, slow, deep, daily. You'll feel the shift.